everyone, my name is Shambhavi and welcome back to my channel Fun with Data Science. So our today's topic is that we had to try hands-on the types of operator in Python. So basically in the morning I had already posted a video in which I had told you the different types of operators in Python. So if you have not checked that yet, go and check it out and after that come back to this video. So this is a practical session for the operators and the link for the operators video for the morning which I had posted is mentioned in the comment box. So excited? Let's get started for that. So basically this is Google Colab. I usually work on Google Colab and I had already made a video that how to work and what is Google Colab. I will share the link in the description of the same. So by the time I had prepared this sentences and these headings so that it would be easy for you to refer this slide. Let me tell you that how do we write it. So when you double click on this, here you need to add a hash and then for bolts you need to add these two stars and then write the whatever you want to write inside this stars and then you need to do is what you need to do shift plus enter and we got that. So this is the bold one and yes, bold handwriting is my favorite one for this. Okay, now without wasting time, let's get into the programming. So what are arithmetic operator and how we can program for that? So the first thing is that I need to initialize a variable a is equal to 10 and give it a value. After that, I would name a variable b and give it a value as 20. Now arithmetic operators consist of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and many more all that things. So for let's check it out for addition. So for adding something we need to do this a plus b and now let's shift plus enter and let's check out that does this give us any output and yes we have 30. So usually 20 plus 10 is 30. So we have got a plus b is equal to 30. Now you can change the sign for this too. Let me convert it to minus. And after that a minus b is equal to minus 10 because b is greater than 10. b is greater than a. So here the minus sign is there. And after that let's multiply 10 into 20, so it is 200 and following you can apply all the operations in that whatever we have in the arithmetic operators. Now let's move to assignment operators. In assignment let's take another value for a, that is let's take 11 and after that let's do a plus is equal to 1. So basically what does this tells that you need to add 1 in a. Now let's check out the example. So let's print print a. Now see we have 12. We have given a is equal to 11. We have written a plus is equal to 1. Basically this signifies that a is equal to a plus 1. Let me add a comment here. A is equal to a plus 1. This tells that you need to give, if you have written a plus is equal to 1, this means that a is equal to a plus 1 and after that if we want to print anything we use print. So here we need to write print a and yes we have our output that is 12. So 11 plus 1 is 12. So basically these operators work like this. Now you can try for all the other operators and if facing any issues always you can refer me. After that we have the comparison operators. Comparison operators equal, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to and all these things. So now let's give another values, take another variables. Let's take p. P is equal to 40 and q is equal to 20. We have these two values. Now let's compare. So for comparison we use if and if I will tell about if in the further videos, but by the time you understand only this that excuse me, that if is used for comparison. So we write if a is greater than b And for in Python, we need to use these colons after the if after the if. So now if we have checked that if A is sorry, we need to write P and Q here because we have initialized P and Q. I forgot that. Basically, it would show us error. Now, okay. Let me go back again. Colon, yes. Now we need to write if P is greater than Q. We need to write print print P is greater. Okay, and after that we need to write if else. If else is a condition, and we need to put semicolon. Then again we need to write print Q is greater. Now basically first let's check that what will we get the output. So P is 40 and Q is 70. So basically P is smaller than Q. So we will get Q is greater, and yes, we have Q is greater. And now here only if I change the sign, this one, now it would give that P is greater. And yes, we have P is greater. Now let's check out for equal to operator. Now let's change the values. Let's give the 70 also, and if P is equal to Q, then print. Now let's print another message that these are equal, and we don't need else here because there is no other condition. Okay, let's write else print semicolon. Yes, they are not equal. Let's check out. Yes, they are equal. So we got the output that they are equal. Now let's move to another. We have here logical operators. So I had already told that logical and bitwise are a little complex. So here I will just give you a single example for logical, and we will make a separate video for the logical and bitwise operators. So for logical, let's write A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, and print A, or this is the symbol for or, A or B is now comma, then A or B. Let's check out that does this run. Yes. So here what I have done, I had told you that OR operator is used for addition, and AND operator is for basically for multiplication. So here I had given two values, A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, and then I had print A or B is, and then the symbol A or B. So this one stand line, this is basically the symbol of OR. So here A or B is 30, so it had added the two A plus B and shown us the result that yes, it is 30. So okay, we have learned the logical operator too. Now let's move on to identity operators. So for identity 2, let's initialize some values. Like let's take x is equal to 10, and let's take another thing, z is equal to x, and now print, then not semicolons, x, print x is z. Now what would it show? True, because identity operator, membership operators give the output in true or false. So x is z. So yes, I think it would show true. Let's check it out, and yes, true, because we have given x is equal to 10, and after that we have taken another variable that is z, and we have given the value of x into z. So basically x and z, they are equal. So x is z and this is true. And if we do that x is not z, it will show us false because it is wrong, because x is z here. Okay, because the value of x is getting into z, so basically they both are equal, and if you write x is not z, it will show us error. Fine. Now let's move to our last operator, that is membership operator. And for membership, let's write x is equal to take 20. After that, print x in, okay, not 20. Let's take any variable, any string. Let's take apple. Apple, print apple uh, in x. We have given the value x. Now let's check this out. It should give true, and yes, it is giving true because we have initialized the value apple. X is equal to apple, and after that we had given print apple in x. So is apple in x? And yes, we have the string apple in stored in x. So it is giving us true. So basically this is all about operators. Let's take a summary for that. In this, firstly, we have done the arithmetic operator, in which we have seen different types of operators: plus, minus, multiplication, addition, and all that things. After that, we have gone to assignment. So basically a plus 1 is a is equal to a plus 1. After that, print a. We need to see the result for that. Now comparison operator. For comparison, we use this if else, and in that we have initialized greater than, less than, and equal to. We have checked for all these three things. Then moving on to logical operators, we have checked here for the or operator, then identity, is and is not, and then membership, in and in not. So basically whatever the operators are left, you should go and try hands on them on your own. And if you face any problems, you can always message me in the comment box. And in my one of the videos, I had already told how to share the link for this notebook. So you can basically share the link of your notebooks in the comment box, and I will try to reply you back. So this is all for this video. These are the examples of operators, and we have tried hands-on session for this. So I will provide the link for this notebook in the description box, and I will also provide the link in the comment too. So you can check it out. So this is all for this video. Let's meet in the next video in the morning with the theory and in the evening with the practical. So thank you. Bye bye and enjoy this session.